Speaking of PlayStation 5, apparently the DualSense controller continues to surprise people, continues to be a fun thing for people, continues to probably be better than the competitor. Xbox, they just brought forward the same controller. We're all well aware of it. Very slight changes. And then went ahead and polled their own community on whether or not they should change it, as we talked about previously. PlayStation, on the other hand, they completely revamped their controller, and they revamped some of the functions of the controller, and some of them people didn't even notice, including myself. So people who have figured it out have been like, oh, this has a very useful feature in it that I didn't even know was there. So the first feature is to turn off the controller. So previously, you would tap the center button on an old version. You would tap the center button, and then it would bring up a menu, and then you would go turn off controller.
Okay.
To save battery.
Oh, yeah.
That's how you would do it.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently on this one, people didn't realize this. There's been Reddit threads about it, so people didn't notice, but you just hold the DualSense, the PS button on the DualSense controller for 10 seconds. So you just hold it, an extended hold. And it's not to shut down the console. It would just turn off the controller, preserve battery life. Do you like that?
That's a useful feature, although 10 seconds is quite long.
I think it's because they don't want it to be an accidental input where you were meaning to go to the menu and just tap to the menu, and then you end up turning off the control. I don't know what the right amount of time would have been. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe it could have been 8 seconds. I don't know. You sound very upset, Will.
Oh.
Also, here's the other one. You can mute all audio by holding down the controller's mute button for a couple seconds.
Okay.
Are you happy with any of this?
No, I think it's quite good. Not bad.
Yeah, and it's definitely a not bad type of topic, but it's one of those little things that if you didn't know it was there, it can all of a sudden now it just alleviates. You feel happier knowing that you're not doing a roundabout way to do either of these functions, that you're not going into the menu when you don't need to, and instead you're using essentially the key command kind of thing. You just got the shortcut. Yeah. Essentially. So,
I'm sure someone will find it useful.
If just one person is helped by this, then we've done our job.